Hey everybody, it's Buckeye Boy, Thad, and Melissa's Buckeye Girl. We're going to be making a serving tray. It's not food where you can put food directly on it because it's made out of pallet wood. But you can put plates, you can put drinks on there, you can carry out from your kitchen to your patio or serve your guests somewhere in the house. Okay, what we're gonna do, I cut some boards and I sanded them down. We're gonna put them together like this. There's gonna be a total of, let's see, 7 parts, 5 out of wood. I cut these. This actually split on me, but what I am going to do is use one end here and one end here. If you use a tape measure, use the same tape measure for every project you cut, because your cut could be off a little bit, which I did. And I got some wood glue. I actually used a palm sander to do some sanding. And I use a big Milwaukee one belt sander to go back and forth. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is pretty easy to assemble. We got a couple handles. We're gonna flip these over and put some wood glue on here. Use this Tide Bond 3, it's waterproof. Oh, I'm using a brad nailer too. I put a little bit of nails in. I'm just gonna spread the glue with my finger. You don't need it on real thick, and you put it on too thick, you gotta do some cleaning up here. So I'm just gonna spread some on this other board because, as you can see, I put a little too much on. And this be a little bit unique. I got my dog Oscar out here wandering around, so if you see him on camera, he just came out and see what I was up to or something. I think I did put too much glue on here. Well, we can wipe it off. You don't want to put too much because it's gonna squeeze out. But as you can see, I think I did put too much, but we're going to make sure we got it on both boards. Maybe not, folks. Give this a whirl. And we got a couple handles, so we'll show you what we picked out. You want to pre-drill your holes for your handles. I don't know if I told you the size. This serving tray is going to end up being 18 by 16. Okay, let me make sure I don't have that clump too well there. I'm going to attach one here. You want to line your corners up and pull your boards in. They don't have to be super tight. And we're going to use a brad nailer to tack this down while it glues. Well, the glue bonds, excuse me. Try and get that corner even. I do the corners first. And I hope I got enough nails in here. Yep. They need to be a little longer. But this glue will bond and keep this tight. I'm just gonna flip this over and do a little bit more. I got a split here, so I'm gonna put 2 nails in, but it makes it different. I wanna make sure you nail both of those. Let me check my nail supply. I still got some. Should have used longer ones, but that's okay. This is just pallet wood. You don't want to put food on this because it's not food ready. you got to use different woods for that. And I put my cap back on the glue so it don't spill. Okay. I'm just using 18 gauge brad nailer. Okay, I'm just going to show you what we're using for hardware. Now, the wife's going to stain or paint this. I'm not sure what she's going to do. You want to get these centered. Let me see. It's not quite 16. I'm just going to rough guess. And what you can do, I didn't drill the holes, but you got to drill holes. This hardware, it came with short screws and long screws. So these machine screws, I need the long screws because this is thicker. And basically, once it's dry, you know, it's all painted, you can pick this up by the handles and carry it out. You can put a plate with some food on here, or you can, you know, put some glasses and carry out to your guests out on the patio or whatever. And it's pretty easy to make. Like I said, it's 16 by 18. And we're making some for craft shows. And I'll probably sand a little more. I have some nails left in here I'm not worried about. I sanded because I couldn't quite get them out when I pulled the pallets apart, but they're not, you know, catching your finger or cutting you. It's just different. So hope you enjoyed. And this don't really cost you anything to pick up a whole pallet, just, you know, some fuel and pulling them apart. And like I said, when you measure a cut, you use the same tape measure because tape measures are different. Your cut could be off a little bit. It's just something I learned from another guy watching videos. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Take care now. Bye-bye.